I'm going to show you how to shorten your product links on your Amazon affiliate account when that add to your YouTube or other websites. Say for instance, I'm here on my Amazon account. I want to click on this pump here. And when I click on the pump, you go up here to the top left and I hit text only because I want to email this to somebody. And you notice that it's really long. For some reason, Amazon must be having a problem. So you can scroll down to the bottom. And if you look over here to the right, you want to find the ASIN number. I'm going to highlight that and copy, Control C. And what I'm going to do is go to the left here to my associates account. I click on that for my Amazon affiliate account. Once I click on that, I go to product linking. So I'm gonna hit that product links. And you can go right here and you can Control V and paste that number and hit go. And you go right here, that's the product right there. And you wanna go to get link. Once I click on the get link, it would take me to text and image. I can scroll down a little bit and you'll see, you can paste this in your website right here, but you want the text only. And you notice that's the HTML. You can highlight that and put it in your website, but I want the standard link. And you see the standard link right there, but you want to shorten it. So you hit the short link. You notice that it didn't shorten it. Something is wrong with Amazon. So I'm gonna just copy this, Control C, and I'm gonna go to Google Shortener. As you can see right there, and I could just paste it right here. And I hit the shorten URL. And right here, I hit this button here, copy. And I'm gonna go to a new incognito window. And I'm gonna paste that shortener here. You see right there, and I'm gonna hit enter. And it's gonna take me to that product. So you could paste that shortener link and send it to anybody or put it in your YouTube videos. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.